tried to facilitate a process on the request of a number of persons, and we simply had to say this process is not in our hands, because it comes back to bite us and we are accused of not cooperating. But if the office that you have in place to support the Island Council had done its work, and I refer specifically, I don't like to do this, but this is exactly what has happened. The deputy registrar is the one who pushed for this and pushed us. I have emails here where behind the scene he has been asking the Deputy Island Commissioner for support in the preparation for this meeting while he is away on business. So, you know, today we, whether you do it good or you do it bad, you will be constantly under scrutiny, and to be under scrutiny is a good thing. What is important is that you as a council do agree. We won't agree on the legislation part. You've made a motion, and the motion will be acted on so that there can be clarity once and for all on the issue of the legality. The information you receive, you are not pleased with it. And also, I think we have...
I have a point of clarification, Madam Chair Lady.
Point of clarification, Mr. Snake.
Madam Chair Lady, we discussed it, and I think certainly you discussed it. It is totally out of order to put the blame on a civil servant in this public meeting. You're totally out of place. Thank you, Madam Chair Lady.
I have to defend myself here today because, Mr. Snake, you personally know what is ongoing and the community needs to know it as well. Because, yes, I'm out of place. You do it constantly here on this floor. But when you do it, it's good. When you call people incompetent in the civil service and complain about their work, you do it all the time, Mr. Snake. You do it.
Point of clarification,
you
Madam Chair Lady. I challenge you every time when I do that to correct me.
And I have in a meeting, and within a minute you twisted the situation. I don't want to argue here with you today. I acknowledge the one thing that we should have done is when we were approached by the rekenkamer and the griffier, we should have pushed back and said, no, that's your forte. And I will share with you the correspondences where the griffier has been asking for support in this process.